Mary Freebed in Grand Rapids has rolled out a new therapy program for those recovering from COVID-19.
Fox 17's Michael Martin had the chance to speak to a husband and wife who went through the program after catching the virus and experiencing significant symptoms. Michael.
Yeah, guys, good afternoon. As we continue to learn how COVID can affect us, it's becoming clear to those in the healthcare industry that it has the ability to impact patients throughout their entire bodies. So Mary Freebed has developed this recovery program to help keep patients on track even after they go home.
It hits so fast, it's really mind-boggling.
For David and Shar Thompson of Metro Detroit, the symptoms of COVID-19 seemed to come out of nowhere.
But it just kept getting worse each day. Friday is when it kind of really started, and then Saturday it got worse, and by Sunday it was horrible.
Husband and wife both testing positive at the same time.
I could barely get out of bed. The breathing was very labored and heavy.
Shar was admitted to the hospital, later transferring to Mary Freebed to begin the recovery process.
And here I can't even take 2 or 3 steps. So I was very, very fearful that I wouldn't be able to walk again. I was on the ventilator for 16 days. So literally every muscle had atrophied.
Both of them living in agony for weeks, but they say Mary Freebed's team was there each step of the way.
When you're in war, and that's what it's like when you're going through this, you know. We were at war, and Mary Freebed team, they were in the trenches with us.
So whether they're inpatient, which are hospital-based or clinic-based, or even virtual-based programs, we can tailor to you.
Since April, Mary Freebed has been working on building up its COVID recovery program to help with all aspects of the disease, from physical and respiratory therapy to emotional distress.
Psychologically, it was like a huge struggle. It's like, and I often wondered if I would ever be back to my old self.
And while Shar went through therapy at the facility, David's recovery happened hours away at their home with virtual help from therapists.
It's a challenge to figure out, how do I get my breath back when I'm walking and talking with somebody, or how do I climb a flight of stairs when I could do that 2 weeks ago? When they start to see that they can do more, and they see that the weights are going up and their oxygen levels are maintaining and they can walk further, definitely the smiles come on.
The approach helping with the long-term recovery many COVID patients need long after the virus has left their bodies.
Every aspect, speech therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy, psychological therapists, everybody was phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal.
And for more information about Mary Freebed's program, you can check out our web article at fox17online.com. For now, though, live in Grand Rapids, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.
All right, glad to see they're doing so much better. Michael, thank you.